morning. So today we will see the solution of this quadratic equation by method of completing square. So for this, first concept is take x square coefficient common. So 2 common, if you take x square 7 by 2x plus 5 by 2 equal to 0. This is as usual for every question by using complete square method. Now the first two terms will be as it is, but the third term is half of x coefficient, that is 7 by 4 whole square, plus sign and minus sign. We have a previous videos also by method of completing square, the same thing we applied. Now here the first three is a complete square formula, x minus 7 by 4 whole square, and the rest out will be 49 upon 4 square is 16 plus 5 upon 2. Now question is this LCM we have to do. Before that we will write one more step. X minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to, I will write this right side, that is 49 by 16 minus here 2 is there. I would like to make it into 16, so you should multiply with 8. Now the next step will be x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to 16 is the LCM, 49 minus 40, that is 9. So x minus 7 by 4 is equal to the square going other side, plus or minus under root of 9 is 3, under root of 16 is 4. So your final answer is x is equal to 7 by 4 plus or minus 3 by 4. You do the plus sign and then minus sign, you will get the two zeros. That's how we find the solution. Now the other question is related to the discriminant, means the discriminant is, before that I will write a is equal to 2 times p square plus q square, which is given. Okay, the b is equal to 2 times of p plus q, which is also given, and c is equal to 1 based on our normal notation. Now what is the discriminant formula? B square minus 4ac. Now let us do the square of b. So it will be 4 times of p plus q whole square minus 4 times of 2, it is 8 into 1, I suppose 8, into b square plus q square. Now here I can take 4 common, and let me expand. So this is b square plus q square plus 2pq, which is the expansion of p plus q whole square, then minus that 4 has gone common, so 2p square minus 2q square. Now your discriminant is becoming 4 times, see here p square minus 2p square means minus p square minus q square plus 2pq. Now here I take minus common, so I get p square plus q square minus 2pq. This is formula p minus q whole square. So square is always positive and minus sign is there, so delta is less than 0. So roots are, you can write non-real.